Oh, there you go. Just bad, dry, then crispy, gross.
Yeah, I stopped.
All right, so Hertz versus Randy's. All right, hey guys, we've made it to the end of our donut series, Food 411. We're here at the winning place. Where are we at, Mike?
We're at Hertz Donut.
Hertz was the winner. Yep. We went to 7 different places for donuts. And 10 places. I'm sorry, 10.
10 places.
I don't know why I had 7 in my mind.
Probably because I'm thinking like this is the epic dad joke place.
What?
Because it's a Hertz donut.
Oh.
Like my dad would always be like, Hertz donut, and he'd punch you. Yeah, you know, like this is the epic place. So I don't know.
I don't know either. But they were the winner. 10 places. Tons of good options for donuts in town. This one scored the highest when we were out there tasting in the community. And second place was
Randy's Donuts.
Randy's Donuts. Yeah.
Both excellent donuts. I mean, honestly, other than Winchell's, and I'm going to call you out because you guys need to step up your game. It's horrific. Like, it's not a good donut.
And I love donuts, and it was hard to eat that donut.
It's not. You didn't eat the donut.
I know.
No one finished the Winchell's donut. It's just not good. Winchell's, you need to step it up. But everywhere else, I mean, really, you can't go anywhere else in town and get a bad donut.
No. There were little things here and there that were good about other donuts versus others, but really, you can't go wrong. I would totally agree with that.
Yeah. However, there has to be only one winner.
There does.
And it's Hertz Donut. Let's bring that donut out so everyone can look at one again.
All right. So this is a special little donut here because he's the winner.
Yep. So winners get sprinkles, right? Like if you just participate, you can have a donut or ice cream, but winners get sprinkles. So.
Ooh. So the winner has sprinkles. Are we going to taste the winner?
Yeah, you know what? Let's refresh ourselves.
Okay,
if I remember the frosting, like
oh my
basically.
God, look what I'm doing to this donut.
It's because it's super fresh.
I know, and it's like chewy.
That's okay. Now it looks like something else, but it's okay.
All right, my earring just fell out. That's okay. Now it looks like totally, totally massacred.
So we're here at what time is it right now? Like almost 3.
Almost 3 o'clock.
So it's almost 3 o'clock, and this donut is fresh. So. That is obviously a big selling point of Hertz Donut. I mean, they're open 24 hours.
Yes, yeah. So. Even though they're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, they continue to have fresh donuts all the time, constantly. Let me try mine.
It's so good. I'm not a sprinkle fan, so
yeah.
Like the sprinkles are ruining it for me.
Yeah.
But
agreed. I'd rather have it without sprinkles.
Right.
No, that frosting is so good,
But the frosting is good. The donut's super fresh. I mean, it's just a really good donut. And don't get me wrong, Randy's are awesome. Lamar's makes good donuts. Hy-Vee had great. Russ's.
Donut Hole.
Donut Hole. They all make a good donut. You can get a good donut anywhere in town. But if you want to get a donut at 10 o'clock at night, there's only one place you can go, and it's Hertz Donut.
Hertz Donut. I'm a dork. And our 3 rules that we had for this contest, which we didn't mention yet.
We didn't mention.
It had to be a raised donut with chocolate frosting. They can't know we're coming ahead of time, and 1 bite, which we did break that rule a few times.
A lot of times.
A lot. It's hard to do that.
To be fair, that's a stupid rule.
I know. It kind of is.
I mean, it's just...
You can't get a fair judgment from just 1 bite.
We might have to revisit that rule moving forward. I don't know. But we do have a new series starting.
Yes.
So, you're going to see this video this Friday. That would be the 28th of February.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But starting next, first Friday of March, we have pepperoni pizza.
Who doesn't love pizza? And so Matt's doing that series, and I'm super jealous because I love pizza. So I'll probably be joining him on a couple episodes. I'll be crashing in on him.
You're going to need to. And to be fair, I think it's going to be hard. Like, I have no idea who's going to win that.
There's so many good pizza places in Lincoln. It is going to be tough.
I personally don't even know. Like, if you ask me right now, where's my go-to place to get pizza? I don't know.
It depends on what mood I'm in,
Right.
Yeah.
So hopefully we're going to settle that debate. We're going to find a good place to get pizza in town where you can just go anytime you want and you know it's going to be good. You know it's going to be good.
Yeah, that's going to be a hard decision. I'm kind of glad that one's Max.
Yeah, that's going to be tough.
That's going to be
I
tough.
think.
I want to be there just to taste it.
Plus, we only go to 10 places, and the list that we made is like 18 long.
Yeah, we had to cut some because we had a long list.
Like, I don't know if it's going to be a longer series or if we're just going to have to just say sorry, not sorry, do an honorable mentions and say, hey, these are places that didn't make the cut, but we're going to try you and just not do a full video for you. I don't know what we're going to do.
Yeah, we'll have to contemplate over that and figure out what we want to do there. Yeah. So, and we might get you guys' opinion as well. Definitely. So we might do a little fun poll about that. And so that being said, we're going to wrap up our wrap-up video. I'm just full of jokes today.
Yeah, you're sure you're not a dad, like trapped in a different body? Like these are just dad jokes coming out.
Possibly. We just want to remind you guys, please follow our Homegrown page. We're on Facebook and Instagram.
Yep, at HomeGrown.Lincoln.
Yes, HomeGrown.Lincoln. And we have tons of fun events and contests, food videos, things going on around town on the pages. So you don't want to miss out.
And there's going to be new stuff coming too.
Yeah, we got some new projects on the way too. Yep. So it'll be fun. We're looking forward to what's coming up next. So,
definitely.
Well, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with Pepperoni Pizza.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See ya.